Hi and welcome back to another video on the Classic Mini Clubman. Today we're going to kind of carry on from where we were. We've not yet cut the front half, well basically the floor pan and what's left of the inner sill out this end yet. Previous episode you saw us do these repairs, good and solid now. What I've been cracking on with is the doorstep. The doorstep's really decent, but if you remember in I think the episode where I cut out the inner sill, I cut out a square here as well to put in a new piece for the doorstep because I didn't see the point of replacing the whole thing. So what I've done is I've bent a bit of steel up, holes for some plug welds on the inner sill, and I'm going to put this little piece in because it's worth saving the doorstep. It seems pointless to lock the whole lot out, and this steel is 10 times thicker than what you'd buy as a pattern panel, and obviously being on a budget that's what I'd get. Also I don't like the profile of the pattern panels too much, so we're going to go with this. This is a little repair. I've already done a similar repair this end. See the plug welds there, and that's not yet brown back, but I'm really, it's really decent. I'm actually really quite chuffed with that. So we've got one to do there. So we have 2 repairs on the doorstep, and then we can get on with cracking that floor out and getting on with that. So I'll spin you around now and set the camera up, and let's get this welded in and all inish back, and let's get the doorstep ready, and then that can come out. So yeah, like I said, it doesn't have to cost a lot. This is merely a bit of scrap steel, or if you're doing a project, you would buy yourself some sheet steel anyway to do some repairs. Yeah, it costs nothing. One top tip I will try and give you: if you're getting tooled up to do your projects, this is a hole punch from Clark. I think I bought it from Machine Mart. It's really, really good. It's got a hole punch this end, and this end it's got a joggler, so you basically undo the bolt, swing it around, and you can joggle metal as well. That's really good to slightly overlap the panels, gives you more strength, and it gives you a better way of welding, because normally the steel is better to do it that way. You're doubling up, so you get a better weld penetration. But this is a very good tool to have in your toolbox if you're going into your projects. That is all I've done to get these holes in this. Bish bash bosh, you can just get it done, not worry about getting a drill out, it's done. So let's get set up, let's get this welded in. Right guys, that's those repairs done. I'm pretty chuffed how they've come out. Obviously you've seen the welding process, you've seen me have to dress stuff back. It's going to require a light skimper filler, but when you run your hand over it, there's a bit of a defect there. So, but a light skimper filler across the whole doorstep. I mean, there's areas of the car that are going to need that anyway, so I can't go wrong with that. It's cost a bit of time basically, and some scrap steel. Again, it's going that way to try and save a bit of money. I'm all for trying to save panels if I can. There is panels that I'm not going to be able to save, so you'll probably be able to see in the shop this whole quarter's going. It's gone all the way along here. It's very, very bad along the top, and it's gone down in the back corner. Things like that, I've been considering, I could do the top and then I could repair the bottom, but the amount of filler, doing 2 repairs like that to a big sheet of steel, it's just going to, no matter how much you try, I think I'm just not going to get it without any heat distortion and stuff like that. So panels like this, boom, go ahead, get them sorted, get them repaired, make little pieces up. For me, I personally want to practice that. I want to practice folding steel, making little repair pieces, and you know, the bulkhead repair video, if you've seen that, I'm really chuffed at that. That's another thing saved. There is like a few low spots in the doorstep here, so what I'll probably do is make a little piece of steel up, but I'm not going to worry about those little areas yet where the door rubber sits, because we're going to cut out that front floor next, so, and that gives me the new inner sill to work towards height wise. So that being said, I'm chuffed at that. Good penetration of my plug welds, and it's good and solid again. All the way underneath this doorstep, I've had a good look. It's really clean. There's still decent steel under there. It's a little bit of surface corrosion this end of it, but it's not come through, and I've treated it, and it seems to have gone back really nice with some cure rust. You know, wash that back and then sand it back to some bare metal and then some etch primer. That's what it's all like under here. I'll stick a shot in probably when we come to putting a new seal on and painting and putting some body colour on the car. I'll show you how good it really is under here, because it is nice. It is for an original panel anyway, which is why I want to do these repairs. Right, I think I'm going to get these into etch primer, and we'll probably call it that on the doorstep for now. Just a short video, basically to say there's another panel you can repair. The passenger side is going to take that panel that, if you've seen our video, the update video of Sam giving us the doorstep, I think it's going to take that whole doorstep. The more I thought about it, the more it's going to need like 4 of these repairs. It's a bit silly. So we're going to brave it. We're going to put a pattern panel in there, and we're going to get that sorted. So again, once again, thanks again for that for Sam. But yeah, let's get this in some primer. Let's not worry about the, you know, how it's going to look paint wise, because we're going to prep the whole car in one go. So just get some primer on it so the elements can't get to it. Let's get that floor out. So I'm really intrigued to see how that comes out. So, and it gets rid of this horrible, this looks nice now, that looks horrible. So catch us again in the next one when we lock that floor out and start mocking that floor panel up, that £10 floor panel. Catch you next one, guys. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, leave a comment below. Catch you next one.